How can I extend queries? Should I use queries override? Custom queries? useApi composable? What are those entities and who created them? I must find out. If you are lying on the floor asking yourself the same questions, stay with me. I will give you the answers. Whenever ViewStorefront makes a call to the named middleware API endpoint, it uses a GraphQL client under the hood. The query is defined in the API client package and is loosely coupled with the endpoint, which means that it will be used in every request unless you change that behavior. Query overrides allows you to replace selected query with another query globally. For example, if you make a call to fetch user card data using useCard composable, you will always get the same predefined data structures. But what if you would like to include an additional field or replace it in the response for every request? This is where query overrides come in handy. You can easily add or remove any part of the query globally by creating a new query and inject it in the ViewStorefront configuration. However, sometimes you may want to change the query only in a specific execution context. This is the perfect moment to use a custom query. Every composable allows you to pass a custom query as an argument in a function. If you pass the custom query as a parameter, the query for this particular request will be replaced and will not affect any other parts of the application. So you can decide what set of data you want to fetch without modifying the underlying code. In some cases though, you may want to change not only the query but also the composable by adding more hooks, logs or other custom logic. This is where you should use useApi composable, which is nothing more but a raw client which allows you to query data or to mutate data. Composing higher level composable using useApi gives you the maximum flexibility in implementing your business functionalities. You can simply wrap it with hooks, logs or any custom logic. And you do not have to worry about establishing connections with the e-commerce backend. useApi will do that for you. I hope now you have better understanding of how you can modify request and incoming data. If you can't wait to see more, please subscribe. I will show that in my next videos. Thank you and see you soon.